Eating garlic every day. See what happens to you. Eating garlic regularly is not only good for us, it has been linked to reducing or even helping to prevent 4 of the major causes of death worldwide, including heart disease, stroke, cancer, and infections. The National Cancer Institute does not recommend any dietary supplement for cancer prevention, but it does recognize garlic as one of the several vegetables with potential anti-cancer properties. Have a look at some of the amazing health benefits of garlic. Boost immunity. In test tubes, garlic appears to kill cancer cells, and studies involving people show some of the same outcomes. According to the Iowa Women's Health Study involving 41,000 middle-aged women, those who routinely ate garlic, fruits and vegetables had a 35% lower colon cancer risk. Benefits came from raw and cooked garlic, not supplements. Brain cancer. Organosulfur compounds found in garlic have been identified as effective in destroying the cells in glioblastomas, a type of deadly brain tumor. This research highlights the great promise. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. Detoxification. Need to detox heavy metals from the body? Working in a metal-exposed industries can lead to organ damage. A 4-day study was conducted on employees who worked in a car battery plant and were exposed to lead. The study found garlic to reduce lead levels in the blood of the employees by 19%. Many other clinical signs of toxicity such as headaches, blood pressure are also reduced by daily intake of garlic. Improves bone health. Garlic contains manganese, which is crucial for bone formation, bone metabolism, and calcium absorption. It is a known fact that as women age, there is a bone loss. Consumption of raw garlic can increase the estrogen levels, which in turn reduces the bone loss. Though there has been no study conducted on human till date, but a study on rodents proved that garlic may help reduce bone loss. Burns cholesterol. Garlic can also help you maintain your cholesterol level. How? Garlic is rich in allicin, a sulfur compound. Allicin is produced when garlic is crushed. This will lower the total and LDL cholesterol. The best thing here is it doesn't affect the good cholesterol and triglycerides. The best way to control cholesterol is by consuming raw garlic. Review better hair and skin. Antioxidant and antibacterial properties can clear up your skin by killing acne-causing bacteria. Some data shows that rubbing raw garlic over pimples can clear them away. Be aware though that it could cause a burning sensation onto your skin. High in nutrition. Calorie for calorie, garlic is incredibly nutritious. 1 clove of raw garlic contains manganese of 2% of the daily value, vitamin B6 2% of the daily value, vitamin C 1% of the daily value, selenium 1% of the daily value, fiber 0.06 grams, decent amount of calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron and vitamin B1. This comes with 4.5 calories, 0.2 grams of protein and 1 grams of carb. Garlic also contains trace amounts of various other nutrients. In fact, it contains a little bit of almost everything you need. May help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans. But given the beneficial effects on important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. The fact that it can fight infectious disease is also an important factor because these are common causes of death, especially in the elderly or people with dysfunctional immune systems. Positive health impacts of garlic seem to be endless. It is a dynamic and medicinal food that supports overall health and vitality, as well as being a companion treatment for many of today's common health issues. The garlic bread is worth it. There are endless ways to add garlic in your diet, so be sure to give a few try and take advantage of all the garlic benefits that you can.